we compare ourselves with other people,
Right.
First thing is that when I used to see my colleagues and manager that they are speaking very fast, so I literally get underconfidence that time. Oh, I
Hmm.
can't able to speak like this. And second thing, first of all, good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm fantastic. Thanks for asking. So what about you?
Yeah, I'm also quite well. Many thanks to you as well.
Oh,
So, after a long time, I think we are going for the conversation. I think I have done one time with you. Are you able to recall? Actually, I am thinking about it may be possible or it would be possible. I have seen many videos of you. So exactly I can't say anything because by face I know you very well. You are a YouTuber and you have made many sessions with many YouTubers. So I am
okay.
not very exactly, but because in your link I am first time that I'm going to talk to you. But by face
Okay.
really I'm very very
So I
aware
think
of
you,
you.
yes, face you can
Maybe.
recognize
That
by
is the
face.
reason
Yes.
maybe I am very aware of you. So we should start with introduction part.
Yes, sure. So I'm starting first. My
Yeah.
name is Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in computer science branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and
Mhm.
simultaneously I'm running my YouTube. And if I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love to do drawing and dancing and traveling sometimes. That's all about me.
That's very interesting. That's good job.
And what
Wonderful.
about
I'm
you?
glad to hear you. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. When it comes to my profession, I'm working as an accountant. Apart from this, I'm graduate person. I did PG with computer. And these days, I am working on my communication skills. So whenever I get free time, so I love to talk some co-learners, YouTubers, and strangers as well. Yeah, this is all about me. And same video I also upload on my YouTube channel with a view to track my progress and I share my knowledge. Yeah, this is all about me.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
like, when did you started your channel?
I recently started, not very recently, I would say here in January 2024.
Okay. I
Yeah.
think it's 3 to 4 months only, right? 3 months.
It's 3 months. It's running.
Okay.
Right. And what about you? As you are working part time?
On YouTube or on
No,
my
no,
work?
no. I'm asking about your profession.
No, I'm working full time.
So you are working full time. So how do you handle other things? Because you have to manage your work, you have to handle your YouTube.
Yes, sometimes it is very complicated for me. But yes,
Mm.
I can manage because I'm working from home. So that's why
Mm.
I have to give 8 to 9 hours for my work, and after that I'm free. So I
Mm-hmm.
generally try to make one conversation in a day so that I can upload that video on my YouTube. And in some cases I don't get time for whole day, so I'm not able to upload videos as well. But it is okay.
Mm.
In a week I can say that I am uploading 3 to 4 videos, and that's it enough
Mm-hmm.
for me.
Yeah, that is good. At least you are putting your effort and you are getting the chance to upload 3 to 4 videos a week. This is good. But I think consistency also very important. If you get the chance to upload one video every day, so it's more good for your viewers and your channel, right? But because
Yeah.
of busy schedule and profession, you don't have more time to go through every day. And same thing happened with me also. The
Okay.
same thought I have, at least I have to speak one time to any YouTubers or any stranger. I have to upload one video at least. I have to anyhow manage time for the conversation. So these are the things I'm also facing. And working on YouTube, it's very difficult because when we are going to work on YouTube, so we
Mhm.
have to take care of our proficiency. We have to take care of editing, loading, downloading. That means we have to handle many works. So
Yes.
it's
Only
like a
YouTuber can understand and see.
yeah, this is a job that we have to do free of cost. There is no
Yes.
any pay. So it happened, but we have lot of hopes, right? We have a lot of hopes to get something in a written in the future. That is the reason we are doing, and few of them they are, you know, getting improvement of English language. This is the reason they are getting and they are enjoying. So it is little part of hobby. It is little part of enjoyment of my life. That is the reason I'm doing. And what about you? How do you think about it?
Okay, so to be honest, when I started my channel, I was just thinking I have to build my confidence level because I was very
Mm,
underconfident. I was not
mm,
able to speak with other people and not even face the camera. So I thought, I think if I'll make the online videos and if I'll upload on YouTube, then definitely I can improve these things like my confidence level, my speaking style, and everything. So I had started with mathematics, but I was not getting time to uh, recall everything again because it's a long time when I left. Like I have done my schooling and college, so
Right.
that's yeah. So it was quite difficult for me to handle these things. So I suddenly shifted to English language. I started teaching tenses and all, and after that I came into this conversational videos, and now it is all about, I think, conversational videos.
Mm. And you are getting enjoyment improvement, like same.
Yes.
So these days, do you teach to anyone?
No, I'm not teaching.
Okay,
I
just
used to
when.
teach. I used to teach when I was in my college or school, because
Okay,
that
okay.
time my time was fixed. But now in
Hmm.
job, it is very difficult to manage, and
Hmm.
especially like time is not fixed. Like yes, this time is fixed, and you can teach others people. Yes, I love
Hmm.
teaching, and especially math is my favorite subject. But if
Hmm.
I'll getting the chance to teach other people and students, then definitely I'll try. But because of short of
Hmm.
time, I'm not able to manage.
All right. So, like, I want to know what level would you like to see? Would you like to get in this level? Because after now you are able to speak, and after getting more proficiency, more improvement, would you
Mhm.
like to go for online classes or anything as you are very interested for the teaching?
Yes, yes. But before that, I have to become advanced in this level. Then only I
Mm.
think. Still, I feel I am in intermediate level, but
Mm-hmm.
I have to cross a long journey because
Mm.
I still think I'm not an advanced speaker.
Mm.
Because it's require a lot of your efforts and time also, but I'm not
Mm.
able to manage time just for English language. I
Mm.
have to learn a lot of other things also, because working
Right.
in IT company, you have to learn other skills also, other technology
Mm.
also, so that's why I'm
Right.
not able to manage it. But yes, because of this practicing and speaking part, I'm just trying to make this habit, like yes, I can little bit I can improve, and I can
Mm.
go in advanced side.
Absolutely all right. At least we have to grasp some new thing each passing day. Then we can go move forward for the new things. And as you are working professional, so you have to update a lot. You have to go through the updation. Each passing day, new updates coming in IT sectors. You have to know many things. So that
Yes.
is the reason. That is the reason I have to. I think you have to speak and you have to study a lot, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You are absolutely
Uh,
right.
Okay, so I want to know one more thing from your side. You are learner of English language and you have been working on it. So what your opinion over it when people start learning this language and they want to speak English very fluently, but in a few months, in a few days later, they stop learning this language. They don't deserve this language that I can speak it. So
Hmm.
what do you realize? What are the mistakes learner made while learning this language?
Okay, so to first thing is that we compare ourselves with other people.
Right.
First thing is that, because even
Mm,
I have faced the same things when I started speaking in English language. When I
mm,
used to see my colleagues and manager that they are speaking very fast, so I literally get underconfidence that time. Oh, I can't
mm,
able to speak like this, and I'm and second thing, you always afraid of making mistakes. This is the two
mm,
thing only. When you will remove this thing, then definitely you can focus on your goal. You have to learn these
mm,
things, and ultimately you will focus on these things and will practice also. So
right.
when I reduce this thing, when I overcome this thing, that if I'm doing any mistake, so
Mm,
what will happen? People will just laugh at me for some time, and
right.
after that they will forget actually. And in office
Mm,
also, I know that I'm doing mistakes and other people are also catching my mistake, but
mm,
I can't do anything, because if I'll not do any mistakes and if I'll not speak, then I can't progress. So
absolutely all right.
when I when I set my mind like this, yes, let them think what other people are just thinking, and I have to
Mm,
speak anyhow. And
mm,
I literally left this thinking that I have to compare myself with other people. I
mm,
know that, and even I have seen that some people are, they can grasp the things very easily, very fast.
mm,
They can learn even in a 2 or 3 months or something like this. I have
right.
seen that, but I am doing this practice for last 1.5 years, and still I'm not
Mm-hmm,
advanced in this language. So
mm-hmm,
because I'm not putting that much of efforts. I'm just
Right.
getting the result according to my efforts. So
Hmm.
I think I would suggest people that this should not give up, and ultimately you have to learn this language not only for your career. Whenever you are going any other state and any other
Hmm.
country, you have to interact with other people. And now people are just shifting on this language. They are just
Hmm.
whenever you will go a good restaurant, good place,
Hmm.
so everybody
Hmm.
will speak in English language, and that time you will
Right.
feel embarrassed because you
Right.
are not learning. And I think you should learn because it's a global language and everybody should know.
Hmm.
I'm not
Hmm.
saying that you should disrespect your mother tongue. Yeah,
Hmm.
in your home, in your with your family members, you can speak,
Right.
but it is important for learning this language also.
Absolutely all right. You are telling very right, very true. And I would say here one to more point I'm going to add here. Like you
Hmm.
already mentioned, we should not compare. This is very important. Same thing I was doing, and same thing I observe of many things. Many of people when asked to me what should I do for my improvement, someone can speak better, but I can't speak. So one
Hmm.
thing is very important: know the level of that person. Maybe that person have a good level. That person may have been working for a long time. You don't know exactly how much if if first they would have done. We don't
Hmm.
know exactly, so we
Yes.
should try to understand the level. Maybe already you have said someone can speak English in a 3 month. Maybe he has a great knowledge of grammar, he has a great vocabulary command on the vocabulary. That is the reason he is able to understand in a sort of period. But
Hmm.
we have something different skills and different knowledge and different vocabulary, so
Hmm.
it could be possible it will take year and year. So level is very important. If someone know the level of English language, what is my level, and then they can start working on it, so they will get a good result. And they should passionate to learn it every time, every moment. They can think about it. They can go for every uh, piece of time. If they get the chance to speak, if they get the chance to think, they can think and they can speak. So
Hmm.
these are the things very important. Consistency and patience, both are thing I would say here, both are very important as well.
Yes.
If you are consistent, then you can get easily this language. If you are going to break a day, if you are going to skip your journey, so it will not work for you on that
Hmm.
particular person. So consistency also very important. Try to speak every day. As much as you are going to speak, you will be fine. And the same thing, yeah, the same thing for removing hesitation, I would say here a lot of people have a lot of hesitation. They can't speak front of any people because of hesitation. So they can build their confidence and they can remove their hesitation when they go through the self conversation. If they are going to talk themselves, so they can get little confidence and they can remove a little hesitation. So it will take time. If someone going to start this work, so really it will take time. They have to speak a lot. They have to patience. They have to make consistency. These are the things very important as you are telling, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely right. And most of them think like that. I have to learn anyhow in a very short time. The
Hmm.
people are not want to spend much time on that thing, so that's why.
Hmm.
But I think it's a language, and it will take time. You can't learn everything in a 2 to 3 days only, right?
Right,
And
right, right,
and some people are just watching the things and listening also, but they are not focusing on the speaking part.
right.
So that's why
As someone is going to listen, they are going to consume lot of material. They are going to
that is
consume
good
some
thing.
structure.
But you
That
should
is,
speak also.
you should speak after that. You should, because after consuming the something is going to store in your subconscious mind. But you have to speak. Without speaking, how it will be possible to go through the speaking part? So
Yes.
when you are going to watch, when you are going to listen, when you are going to study something, so it would store in your subconscious mind. And when you are going to speak, to subsequent mind and tongue relation would be possible, the strong relation. If you are get stuck because of bad relation, so
Yes.
making a good relation with your tongue and mind, you have to practice a lot. You have to speak a lot. Like if I talk about the beginner can speak very easily without any thinking. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? They can
Mhm.
speak instantly. They can replay very quick
Mhm.
because they have done practice many time of these words. Like same if they want to go through different kinds of practice, so if they go through the practice again and again and more time, so they would be able to speak more, right?
Yes, we can wrap up this.
Yeah. And we
Thank you
can
so
go
much
for
for
next
your.
time whenever we get times. If we go through the any topic conversation, then we can select and we can talk.
Yes,
Right?
yes, sure.
Okay. It was really wonderful session with you. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.